To access your AP Maths multiple choice quiz assessment, you need to log in to Advantage Learn by visiting our website advantagelearn.com. In the top right, you'll find the login button. You need to type in your username, which is your email, and then your password. You'll get sent to your dashboard page. On your dashboard, you need to click on the My AP Maths Courses button. Here you'll find all the AP Maths courses you're enrolled into. If you're looking for grade 10, you click on the grade 10 AP Maths. And then once on the grade 10 AP Maths page, on the course day, you'll find the Term 1 assessment has appeared at your sidebar. Open that up and you'll find the multiple choice quiz assessment and you click on the lesson. Once the lesson loads, I suggest you read through the information telling you all about the test. Once you're ready, click Start Quiz and the timer will begin and you can complete the quiz in your own time. Happy learning!